Hello, viewers. Welcome to Plus Plus Pro, your virtual learning hub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel. Also, care to press the bell icon to be notified with our learning program and videos. Let us begin. My dear friends and viewers, from all the recent transpired series of events, we know that there is a gross negligence and mismanagement in the healthcare system, not just our country but of the whole world, which has evidently caused evaluation and depreciation of our environment. The environment and ecology of our world has been infested in multitudes by invasive species in all forms, ambulant, sessile, and viral. The infestation of invasive species were uncontrolled and neglected, causing depreciation in healthcare system of all ecological beings. The infestations have transpired in air, land, and water. Evidently, the world and all its beings are already witness to viral invasive species known by the name coronavirus, termed as COVID 19, one of the most disastrous pandemic outbreak of this country. Rather, I must say, the most disastrous outbreak of this century. Similarly, on land, due to disturbance, decay, and depreciation in healthcare of our ecology, that is, our flora and fauna, that is, our plants and animals of every habitat, that is, our rich biodiversity, has been affected due to the uncontrolled invasion of infestive species by the name botfly termed as Ostridae. Then there are infestations of one of the most deadly invasive species, mango worms, termed as Cordylobia anthropophagia. There has been an infestation of sand fleas and parasitic arachnids. From the stage of larvae, they develop nature of being parasitic. This means they get under the skin of mammals, including humans, feed and inhabit themselves. Few species hatch into maggots and maggot flies. This type of parasitic infestation in a person is called cutaneous miasis. Symptoms of such infestation include a locally painful organ, firm furnicular lesion, that is, injury, often with a centrally located pore or pores. Due to their infrequent occurrence, these lesions injuries are often misdiagnosed as cellulitis, leishmaniasis, furunculosis, staphylococcus boils, insect bite, or sebaceous cyst conditions. There is also mass uncontrolled invasion of sand fleas as well. Sand fleas are invasive parasitic species that burrow into people's skin, causing intense pain and inflammation. Lice are parasites that live on the skin. Till date, most believe that they are harmless to overall health, but this is a fallacy of our mind. They cause tiny bites which can become bothersome and a cause of concern. There are two kinds of lice: chewing lice, which feeds on the skin and debris, and sucking lice, which feeds on the blood. However, they are all carriers of viral pathogens. Simultaneously, in water, viewers, the condition of infestation of invasive species has worsened and due to negligence of mankind, and thus the ecology was neglected, overlooked, and mismanaged, leaving all marine species in a total state of apathy. And hence there has been an explosion of its population which has not been controlled and or even treated. All marine species, starfish, seahorses, whales, and marine turtles, especially the marine turtles, are undergoing ordeals on a daily basis and have been subjected to cruelty, distress, and harassment by such invasive species, especially barnacles, water lice, sea lice, ocean lice, Siamus boopies, Planis minitis being Carina the crab, and Ciculinas. The surface of our marine species are debilitated, that is, weakened by majority of times being in water and sometimes indefinitely being in water. However, on the other hand, such invasive parasitic species have built a natural resistance because these barnacles secrete hard calcium plates that completely encase them. A Darwin barnacle has white cone made up of 6 calcium plates form a circle around the crustacean. 4 more plates form a door for the barnacle who can open or close depending on the tide or end or threat. Such development of characteristics leave our ecological being in a state of frenzy because such sessile and or ambulant parasites fix themselves on the host species, feeding by and or sucking, inhabiting and beginning to fester from the surface of the body host for days, sometimes even months, and if untreated for years. They are in agony. They also dig, that is, the barnacles also dig inwards towards the organs of the host. Barnacles excessively colonize the skin of filter feeding whales and turtles, and those barnacles create an ecology, rather a sub ecology of lice, larvae, water lice, plain minitis, Seculinas by such colonizing. Evidently, all the barnacles are parasites and ought to be eradicated. They attach themselves on anything and everything, even sea vessels, marine equipment, ocean rigs, and ships. They do not even spare plastic. All barnacles begin to fester and increase surface drag, thereby decrease the overall performance, lifespan, and hydrodynamic, including shape of such vessels, marine equipment, ocean rigs, and ship. Such infestation of invasive species exhibit traits on turtles and whales. An average person or an expertise faces distress when removing barnacles on the surface of such sea vessels, marine equipments, and ocean rigs and ships. Imagine the mayhem of and anguish of a turtle or a whale. Agonizing, I tell you. All of such series of heart-wrenching acts only indicate that the world is experiencing extinction of species, and those species which are extinct are critically endangered by external threat. If they are not rehabilitated, they will become extinct as well. Thus, with this, the world is experiencing devaluation of ecology because oblivion by mankind has led to distress, decay, and death of our biodiversity, our ecology, and all its being to the environment, thereby day by day giving rise to more infestive invasive species. From the foregoing, it is evident without further reasoning that the earth has been infested inch by inch, meter by meter, depth by depth, which therefore requires immediate attention, action for rehabilitation, and indefinite restoration. Viewers, in solidarity, we can together prevent and indefinitely eradicate all infestations of invasive species, thereby help the environment, ecology, and ecological beings. We can conclude without further evidence that the environment of Earth has been contaminated by pollutants which have birthed of invasive species, and due to the negligence and mismanagement the demography of such invasive species were uncontrolled and untreated. Therefore all ecological beings have been subjected to cruelty. They have been going distress and harassment for which indefinite remedy, relief, and redressal ought to be provided. There should be complete restoration of habitat, migratory routes, paramount their progeny. Through this video, viewers, we can together consolidate in saving the earth, and thus our mission is to introduce several prospects and solutions for reformation of environment ecology, further rehabilitation of all species including distressed species. Also, we can approach together, viewers, the statutory and autonomous bodies including environmentalists for restoration and redressal of all grievances pertaining to our habitat. As excessive infestations of invasive species is a threat to ecology and environment, which is under global crisis, all countries signatory to convention ought to be informed, thereby initiate a strategic plan of action for safeguarding. Simultaneously, for grassroots remedy and rehabilitation, a sponsoring body ought to be incorporated and or a team of determined individuals bearing values of compassion and empathy ought to be formed for raising awareness, educating citizens and non-citizens, educating tourists and suppliers. Viewers, we encourage one and all to become part of international, national and regional conventions, trade controls from poaching of extinct species, control and check with consumers, supply states, consolidate collaborations between conservation groups and government agencies, enforcement agencies, amongst all alleviate primary cause of marine distress, reduce invasive infestation in entirety. Viewers, we encourage that everyone at this hour of crisis to avoid disturbing or going to the nesting, breeding, and basking areas and sites of extinct species. Viewers, let's form a team specially to manage distressed species on land, air, and water, which shall in this manner reduce regional contamination of habitat. Viewers, we also encourage regional, national, internal research and development on status quo of all species, especially distressed species. Viewers, by this video, we want to increase awareness of status quo and locus for every distressed species, beginning with marine species. Therefore, several research articles are expressed by eminent jurists, environmental experts with an endeavor for colossal reformation of environment and ecology, further rehabilitation of all species including distressed species. Link is provided here under this video. Viewers, we also want to increase awareness by medium of art in order to express the distress caused by infestation of invasive species in all habitat, especially marine species, paramount the turtle, because they have maximum lifespan and under their lifetime they convey the tales of maximum resistance. Like animals, it is said that the art also expresses itself without using any words and or speech. Therefore, more or less, it falls under the same technique used by non-human species, and through artwork of eminent artists we intend to express the silent tears, diamond surface, strong heart and determination of ancestral species. Viewers, we want the turtle to tell us the tale of all their attributes of theanthropy and also the silent sufferings caused by invasive species and or external threats. Viewers, I would like to culminate infestation of invasive species is a substantial threat to nature, biodiversity and mankind. Our forefathers suffered when they ignored excessive infestation of invasive species known as the rats, which was the reason of the most deadly bubonic plague known as Black Death. We do not want to suffer and put upon us a karmic debt due to sloth, negligence, mismanagement. Instead, we want to bring a resolution. Viewers, under the Constitution, we have fundamental duties to bring a change for good for our biodiversity, our environment and ecology. We are the parents of our location, and whereby it is us and us only who shall take care of our habitat, show compassion and empathy to our ecological species. It is righteously said, for all plague, pestilence and holocaust, never again. Viewers, we want each and every individual to be part of a program and create an indefinite change in our earth. We hope you approach us in this context. Care to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for your consideration. Viewers, Project Plus Plus is a program of Plus Plus Pro. Please be benefited from all the virtual learnings.